We heard like a pop, like a snap, and we looked right out our window and we saw the wires, everything coming down right here off the pole.
And that is not good, and that is not uncommon today. Storm damage causing problems all over the state. Downed trees and power lines have forced road closures in areas like Harwinton. Also, a school bus got tangled in wires in this area of Brookfield Road. Thank you for joining us here for the Fox 61 News at 5. I'm Tim Lammers. Now, at its peak, between both Eversource and United Illuminating, close to 60,000 customers were without power at some point this afternoon. Eversource said it is working to restore power and clear hazards. That number is now down closer to about 40,000. Also, they're reminding all of you drivers out there, avoid downed lines while crews are out there cleaning up the damage. But some families haven't been able to avoid the damage around them. Fox 61's Celine Arif takes us live right now to Plainville. Celine, good afternoon. You've been following reports of a downed tree. What can you show us?
Yeah, good afternoon, Tim. That's right. We are here in Plainville, and I can tell you, I caught up with the owner earlier today. He is obviously just devastated. We are talking days before Christmas, and he's got multiple teenage children who live here who now have to relocate somewhere else for the night because it is not safe to sleep in this house. And if you walk over here with me, I want to show you how unlucky this is. Not only did the tree hit their house, but it completely destroyed one of their cars and then damaged another car. And the family has lived here for 5 years, and they said that they've never really had tree debris like this before. They've had some fallen trees before. They've had maybe some, some branches fall down with wind and stuff like this, but never anything like this huge tree. You can tell how big it is. It's hard to see from here, but just by looking at the trunk, I mean, it almost looks like it was a weed pulled out of the ground. And the owner told me he was in the living room when the tree hit, and it sounded like a big TV or something just completely crashing onto the ground, a very loud sound. And they said that the fire department did come out here to check it out earlier, and they said for now to just leave the tree there because it was sinking earlier, which is why we can't go much closer to it, which is why we have to show you it from right over here. But just a huge loss for this family just days before the holidays. For now, back to you live in Plainville. Celine Arif, Fox 61.